Hi, this is Sonia with RC Solutions, and welcome to day 93 of the hashtag Essence of Time, and it's hosted by Vera of Spilled Coffee Crafts. And this is a 100-day project where you take 10 minutes of your day to create something. So, the last session we made these little old mushrooms. I stamped it or whatever. So, I think I'm going to draw some leaves. I thought about stamping, but I think I'm just going to draw some leaves and do some doodling. So I've got it's a black Sharpie, and then I also have some little white, white, silver, and gold pigment ink pens. So let me zoom in a little bit so you can see a little bit better. Okay. And so yeah, let me go ahead and start my timer. And like I said, this is just like a little fall theme. So I'm just gonna have like little mini leaves falling. Different sizes. And I think I'm gonna do some doodling in them. And they're just gonna be just little leaves falling. Just weird shapes, no rhyme or reason. They might not even look like leaves, but that's what they're supposed to be. And then on this side, we'll just stick to this side for right now. And then let me just kind of go over my little mushrooms. And they're not as bad as I thought they were going to look, I don't suppose. But I'm just going to add some doodles and add some extra lines in here. Try to get my mushroom to look like a mushroom. Poor little thing. And I'll probably add I think I'm going to add like some circles and shapes on some of these mushrooms. I don't want to take too long on it because I'll be here all day and I won't get the layout completed. But at the same time, I don't want to really mess it up either. So let's see what we can do. All right, and then I've got, like I said, I've got I use this little white pen. This is pigment ink. And so far so good. The shapes are turning the way I like. This is something I don't really do a whole lot of, which is doodle. But I think I like this. I like the doodle. I like the white and how it highlights stuff so far. So I got that, and then I need to do something with these. I would paint, but that takes too long. Let me just I'm just going to give them some shapes. I'm going to shade in some. I don't know. I'm just going to add colors, black and white, and just see like what I can come up with. So I still have 5 minutes left. Let me make sure I've still got the shape of these leaves. Because when you add the white on there, it kind of changes the shape a little bit if it goes over the edge. So I just want to make sure I'm defining these shapes. I'm just going to put some dots, and that's going to represent the leaves falling down. I don't need white, but I think I will use some gold to represent some white dots, maybe circles. I mean, not white, but gold circles and stuff. Maybe some gold and white. And then I'll go around the white with black. And maybe go around some of the gold with black. And then we're going to go around the word leaves. And then let me just draw a leaf. Or a few leaves. And I think that's about it for this. So it's kind of simple, but it's a fallish kind of theme layout. I used some stamping, and I colored in my little mushrooms. I did a little doodling, not a whole lot. Yeah. So it's a simple layout, but I mean, I'm satisfied. What do you guys think? So we got that done in, what would you say, 8 minutes? So, all right. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. But if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And we have, what, 7 more days? And it's almost over, guys. All right. Well, thanks so much for watching, and happy crafting.